After The Love Boat ended, Gavin MacLeod went on to appear in several other shows, such as The King of Queens, That 70s Show, etc. Following a period of ill health, he died at his California home in 2021, aged 90.
I'm ready.
Bernie Kopell was already a household name before even appearing on The Love Boat. He had already played Siegfried in Get Smart. Currently, he is still acting, and you can catch him on Be Positive sitcom. Family-wise, he is a married man and a father of 2.
Listen, I'm on a break right now, and I've got some great snapshots of the old gang down in my cabin.
Lauren Toos was dismissed from the show in 1984 due to her addiction to cocaine. The addiction caused a huge negative impact on her acting career, and currently she works as a sous chef at a catering company in Seattle. Is she still acting? Yes, once in a while, and she also does voice work for video games.
Have lectures. We have a terrific ship's library.
Great. Do you have any books on Lennon?
No, but I think we've got one on Ringo.
After The Love Boat, Fred Grandy took a break from acting and joined politics until 1995. He was then named CEO of Goodwill Industries International, where he served until 2000. He later returned to acting, and one of his most recent appearances is in Moonbase 8. Before appearing on the show, Ted Lang had already made a name for himself, as he had already appeared on shows like That's My Mama. After The Love Boat, he continued acting and directing. He recently appeared in Blood Pageant, where he featured Snoop Dogg. He is a married man and a father of 2. Jill Whelan went on to appear in several other shows and films, including Fantasy Island, Star Dates, etc. But her role on The Love Boat is still the most iconic one.